Ever felt like your stomach turned into a balloon right after lunch? You're not alone. And no, it's not just gas. Let's fix that bloat, fast, naturally, and from your own kitchen. Bloating can hit anyone, after a meal, before an event, or just randomly while watching Netflix. And no, popping pills isn't the only option. Let's dive into 5 powerful, science-backed home remedies that actually work. But first, what's really behind all that bloating? Here are 4 surprising reasons you might feel puffed up like a balloon. You're drinking too fast. Yup, gulping water introduces extra air into your gut. Artificial sweeteners, especially sorbitol, can wreck your digestion. Talking while eating? That's extra air in your belly. And believe it or not, chewing gum can trick your body into swallowing air. It's not just the what, but the how that matters. Here are 5 science-backed natural remedies that'll help you feel lighter, calmer, and back in control. First up, fennel seeds. Chew half a teaspoon after meals. It calms your digestive tract and kicks gas out like a boss. Number 2, warm lemon water. 1 glass on an empty stomach boosts digestion and reduces water retention. Bonus, glowing skin too. Third, ginger tea. Anti-inflammatory, anti-bloat, and anti-excuses. Sip it slow and let the magic work. Fourth, move a little. A 10-minute walk after eating helps digestion and releases trapped gas like nothing else. And finally, deep belly breathing. Yup, lay down, hand on stomach, and breathe in deeply for 5 minutes. It relaxes your gut and eases bloating instantly. Oh, and here's a bonus one, cucumber water. Add cucumber slices to your bottle and sip all day. It's hydrating, anti-inflammatory, and helps flush out that puffy feeling. Quick myth busting. Bloat is usually gas, water, or inflammation, not fat gain, so don't panic. Also, laxatives are not the fix. They dehydrate you and make things worse in the long run. Don't suffer in silence. Try these and comment below. Which one gave you instant relief? Subscribe for more natural, quick fixes that actually work. If you found this helpful, I share daily 2-minute health answers. Subscribe and stay well.